In today's video, I'll show you how to hyperlink a phone number in Google Docs on your PC. Whether you're preparing a professional document or just want to make your notes more interactive, this feature is really handy. Let's go step by step. First, open Google Docs in your browser. Select the document you'd like to work on, or create a new one by clicking Blank Document. Once inside, find the phone number you want to hyperlink. Double-check that it's typed correctly, including the area code. Next, highlight the phone number with your mouse or trackpad. Highlighting tells Google Docs which text you want to turn into a link. Then, head up to the Insert menu at the top and select Insert Link. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+K to do this faster. A small box will appear where you can enter your link. To make a phone number clickable, type TEL, followed directly by the full phone number. If needed, include the country code, and be sure there are no spaces or mistakes. This ensures that when someone clicks the link, it will prompt a call on supported devices. Once that's typed in, click Apply. You'll see your phone number change format, usually with an underline and color, showing it's now clickable. That's it. You've successfully added a phone number hyperlink in Google Docs. If you click on it, you'll see options to copy, edit, or remove the link if you ever need to update it. This simple step can make your documents more functional and professional, especially when sharing them with others. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you use Google Docs more effectively.